Are you confused about how to use and what are the functions of these three powders? Okay, wait. So, first of all, let's know the exact name of each powder. This is translucent powder, this is banana powder, and it's compact powder. First of all, let's talk about translucent powder. This powder is white in color. It sets your makeup but doesn't provide any coverage to your makeup. So it does not hide your pigmentations because it's colorless, so it becomes transparent on your skin. It should be used on fair to medium skin tone. If you use it on dark skin tone, your makeup will turn grey. Now come to the banana powder. This powder is slightly yellowish or sandalwood in color. It sets your makeup as well as give you good coverage and give you flawless base by hiding your pigmentations. You can use this powder on almost all skin tones. This powder is in loose form like translucent powder. Finally comes to compact powder. This powder is not in loose form like those powders. It available in different shades according to skin tone like ivory, sand, beige, caramel. It gives very good coverage, so you can apply it after makeup for extra coverage or also can use it direct on your foundation. If this video seems helpful for you, then don't forget to like and share. Also subscribe my channel for more new updates.